you got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
See these?
Yeah, man, I was
BASSWITHKEV discount code.
Oh man, I so appreciate it, man. What color paint did you get to match that up?
It is Shale.
Shell.
S-H-A-L-E. It's made by SEM. S-E-M.
Where you pick it up at?
Paint shop.
Just a paint shop?
Auto body.
Okay, they matched it up for you.
No, they had it in the can.
I need to look at that.
Yeah, they make a lot of GM colors and Ford colors.
Because
and these are specific for plastic. That paint is.
See that because the paint I buy, you know, like spray paint won't look right.
No.
So that's what I need to do then. I need to.
Yep, that's just the smooth white, and then I just scuffed it up, and that's just 2 coats of paint.
That's all.
That's it.
I need to look into that then.
Yeah.
It's called Shell.
Yeah.
What year is this truck?
06.
Did you upgrade some stuff in there, or it came like this?
What do you mean?
Like did the dash and all this came?
Yeah, that's all like that.
Oh, this is Escalade. Okay, this is Escalade. I'm thinking this is Suburban.
Yeah, this has got the 6 liter.
Okay, yeah, the big
all-wheel drive.
Oh yeah, okay, you good to go then.
Yeah. Yeah, but that sub, they only made 6 of them, I think, as far as I know. And I've got 2 of them, but that's just a prototype box. So I just seen what it is. It's a single layer. I mean, it's nothing, because it's going to be a 6-order.
Yeah. I thought you were going to ball it out.
Yeah, but I didn't want to full commit, not knowing, you know, that sub's 11 years old.
Did you have this in Indiana? Not Indiana, Illinois? You didn't go to Illinois. I thought I seen you at Odin's Picnic.
Yeah.
What size amp is that?
That's a old school DDM4A, which is like a 5K, and then that's a 15-year-old Orion XTR.
Yes, sir.
But yeah, I literally just got it back to playing with the amps in there. Cause I had alternator noise, all kinds of stuff. It's got a top, but I just don't even have it on there.
Yeah.
But that box is 20 cubes.
It's a big box. It's a 30. Is it a 32 or 24?
24.
24. Okay.
Yeah, it's 20 cubes. The port's at 21 hertz. It takes up 4 cubes.
Yeah.
Just the port. But anyway, since it's tuned so low, and like 48 when I was demoing earlier, it falls off pretty hard.
Yeah.
I don't really listen to 48 hertz. So.
Right.
But anyway, we'll play that real quick. Yeah, that's the only door I got finished. That one's still stuck.
It looks good. Those are DS18?
Yeah, the carbons.
Yeah.
to this woman. Go. G6, let's get it. To the city on guard. Outside getting lit. Acting like a bitch. Standing on the couch. Standing on business. All the time. Feeling like did it. God did. I'm a witness. Know the game getting flipped by the bitches. The phone talk fucking chicken. The party won't stop, it won't finish. Let's get it. I just sent 50 bottles to bitches. Know the gang getting fit by the business. Still in the meeting, be back in a minute.
Ooh, that thing
Is that
is
my
nice.
subject stinky? I've never got that thing stinky.
I don't know, might be over there though. Maybe he been playing back-to-back demos over there. Did it warm up on you?
No, no.
Oh yeah, that's all right there. Was it heavy?
Yeah. But it's still breaking in. I've only got maybe a couple hours of playtime on it.
Y'all had to load this with a forklift, didn't you?
One of those little harbor freight, you know, the
Oh,
little
you
lift
stand
thing.
up? Yeah.
Yep.
Then you push it in.
That built in the split.
Take quite a few people to get that one in there, didn't it?
Yeah.
Let them know you on social media, let them know they can find you at.
No, not at all.
You on Facebook? You just on YouTube? Okay. Well, I'm saying, man, we're gonna do it again, man.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.